Here we are inside of the Challenger to remove the headliner again for a second round of stars. Here we go. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ed from EdRT, and today we will remove the headliner again, install a second kit for this Starlight headliner, and make it look like two colors happening at the same time to create some different effects. I've seen that on Instagram and it looked kind of cool, so I thought I could do it. I didn't thought I would do this again, but here we are. Alright, we'd remove this map light with the sunglasses holder, those sunshades, and this handles that goes in the doors. Those is hangers in there, pull out, and ready to pull the headliner out of the car. I'm gonna put some of a heat-proof material in here so it can drop down the temperatures on the summer and keep the heat on the cold. So we'll do that later. But for right now, this is how it looks. So we're gonna add more stars and put it back together. Oh man, here round 2 of the star headliner, and basically I'm adding a second kit, 300 more stars. Yeah, the red ones are the new ones. Basically I mark them up the first round. I mark them up where they were, where I want them, but this time I'm just gonna fill in the gaps in between, just randomly in between the other stars, all the way until I fill it out. As you can see, I'm almost done with this. So once it's finished, that's it. No more stars for now. This was very time consuming for me, so no more. This is the last round. So yeah, here we go. Drilling, I'm using this Dremel. I'm using this to drill the holes, and yeah, I just go along, drill them out, make some little bitty holes, encrust the fiber through it, and that's it. And use a little glue gun I have somewhere in there, right there. Just put a glue gun in there in the spot. That's it. There's not much science to it. It's just very time consuming. There's not like a right or wrong way to do it. You just kind of like just go with whatever you feel like until you fill it out, and then it's easier the second round because you know where you need more stars and stuff like that, you know. So it's just filling up the gaps that you want to fill up, and after that we'll put it on the car. Here you go guys, 846 stars. This kit is made out of one shooting stars of 96, and one of 300, and another one of 450. So yeah, it took me several nights to finish this. As I explained early, there's not much science to it. You just go through it as fast as you can, whatever time allows you to. It is very tedious. If you're gonna do it on your own, just keep in mind you're gonna spend a lot of time. You're gonna be frustrated because it seems like it's never gonna end. It may be worth it for you to spend the time on it, or if you want to pay somebody for it to do you, I would probably recommend that. But since I thought this was easy, I decided to do it on my own, and since I started it, I decided just to go through it and finish it up. And finally it's done. I'm never gonna do it again, but the final result is gonna be awesome once it's on the car. So that's what we're gonna do now. I'm gonna put it right in there. 300 stars, 450 stars, and 96 shooting stars. That's what is this made of. It's a mess, I know, but nobody's gonna see it, so we'll be fine. Alright guys, we're inside the Challenger. We're getting ready to install the headliner with the stars on it, but before we put some insulation. I'm hoping with that it's gonna reduce down the temperatures and a little bit of soundproofing in there too, so it's probably gonna be this option.